Hey everyone, it's Sarah from Edcafe, and today I'm going to walk you through our summary note feature. The summary note feature allows you to summarize any text using this box here, so you can copy and paste that text to get summarized, or you can summarize the contents of a web page, or lastly, summarize the contents of a file that you have on your device. For this example, we are going to summarize the contents of this satellites page. So back in Edcafe, let's drop our satellites file into here, and then you can add in any additional instructions that you want to have for your summary note. So that can include any student levels, any standards that you might want to align to. For our example here, we want to include 3 comprehension questions based on that summary suitable for our 6th graders. Then you can change your output language if needed, and we can generate that summary note. So Edcafe AI will generate that summary note for us, and we can give it a quick review. So you can see we have a quick summary right at the top, and then we go into all of the different headings that are included with all of that important information and main ideas. And then lastly, at the bottom, we do have those comprehension questions for our 6th graders like we asked in those additional instructions. So once your summary note is created, you can of course add any edits as needed. So this whole document is editable. And then once it looks good, we can save it in our Edcafe library. Using this icon here, AI can give your file a name. And then we can also sort it in the different folders in our Edcafe library. That way we can access it in the future. So once it's saved, we can export it as a Microsoft Word or a Google Docs you can share with your students. Try using the summary note as information in a chatbot or a quiz with Edcafe AI to continue checking on your students' understanding.